We measure things every day. We use inches for our height, we use pounds for our weight, we use teaspoons for our baking. Measurements help us understand the world around us. They help us build things. They help us share information. Imagine trying to bake a cake without measuring cups, or build a house without a ruler. It would be impossible. Measurements are the unsung heroes of our daily lives. Some things are very small, too small to see with the naked eye. That's where millimeters and micrometers come in. A millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. It's about the thickness of a credit card. A micrometer is even smaller. It's 1,000th of a millimeter. We use micrometers to measure things like the width of a human hair. These tiny units of measurement are essential in fields like manufacturing and science. Centimeters, meters, and kilometers are the workhorses of the measurement world. A centimeter is 100th of a meter. It's about the width of your pinky finger. A meter is the basic unit of length in the metric system. It's a little bit longer than a yard. A kilometer is 1,000 meters. We use kilometers to measure long distances, like the distance between cities. These units are used in everyday life, from measuring fabric for sewing to tracking our distance on a run. Grams and kilograms help us measure how heavy things are. A gram is a very small unit of mass. A paperclip weighs about a gram. A kilogram is 1,000 grams. It's a little bit heavier than 2 pounds. We use grams and kilograms for everything from weighing our groceries to measuring ingredients for a recipe. Section 5. Beyond the kitchen scale. Milligrams and nanograms. Milligrams and nanograms are even smaller units of mass than grams. A milligram is 1,000th of a gram. It's about the weight of a grain of salt. A nanogram is 1/1000th of a gram. It's so small it's hard to imagine. These tiny units are used in fields like medicine and chemistry, where even the smallest amounts can make a big difference. Section 6. Astronomical proportions, light years and parsecs. When we talk about the vast distances in space, we need some seriously big units of measurement. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. That's about 5.88 trillion miles. A parsec is even bigger. It's equal to 3.26 light years. These units help us comprehend the mind-boggling scale of the universe. Section 7. Measuring up the importance of units. It's easy to take units of measurement for granted, but they play a vital role in our lives. Units allow us to communicate accurately. They ensure consistency in manufacturing and trade. They enable scientific discoveries. Imagine a world without standardized units. Chaos would ensue. Units are the unsung heroes of our modern world. Section 8. Conversion conundrums from Fahrenheit to Celsius and back again. Sometimes we need to convert between different units of measurement, like Fahrenheit and Celsius, the two main temperature scales. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature and then multiply by 5/9. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply the Celsius temperature by 9/5 and then add 32. It's like a secret code, but once you know the formula, it's easy. Section 9. The power of precision. How accurate measurement shapes our world. Accurate measurement is essential in countless fields. In medicine, precise doses of medication can mean the difference between life and death. In engineering, even the slightest miscalculation can have disastrous consequences. And in science, precise measurements are crucial for making groundbreaking discoveries. The pursuit of ever more accurate measurement has driven technological advancement and shaped our understanding of the universe.